In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently delete multiple emails at once using Microsoft Outlook, a simple yet incredibly useful skill for managing your inbox clutter. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open up Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Whether you're using the desktop app or accessing it through your web browser, the steps are pretty much the same. Once you're in Outlook, navigate to the inbox where you have those emails piled up. This could be your primary inbox or any other folder where you've been storing messages. Now here's where the magic happens. You know how cleaning up your emails one by one can be tedious and time-consuming? Let's tackle this by doing bulk deletions, which will make it much easier and quicker for you. What you need to do is click on your first unwanted email to highlight it. Then, while holding down the Shift key on your keyboard, click on the last email you want to select. You'll see that all emails between the first and last one you clicked are now highlighted. This is an excellent tip for selecting a series of consecutive emails and is particularly useful when you're cleaning up after a busy week or clearing out old newsletters and spam that have accumulated over time. With all the desired emails highlighted, the next step is to simply press the Delete key on your keyboard. Or you could opt to click on the Delete icon right there in the toolbar at the top of your screen. And just like that, all those selected emails are moved to the trash. Remember, they're not gone forever just yet. They're in your deleted items folder. For those who like to keep things tidy, you might want to periodically empty that folder too. Before we wrap up, here's a friendly reminder. Always double-check the emails you're deleting to ensure you're not accidentally removing anything important. Mistakes can happen, and while you can recover emails from the deleted items folder, it's always best to avoid the hassle. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to manage and clean up your email inbox using Microsoft Outlook. Thank you for joining today's guide. If you found this helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.